My Kohler generator has turned off and has a message engine MN invalid shutdown. Any idea what that means and how do I address it?
Do you know the model of your Kohler generator? How old is it?
It was installed in July 2015. It is a Kohler 14 RESA generator with 100 amp service entrance switch. Does this help?
How long has this been going on with your Kohler generator? What have you tried so far?
I just noticed it on Sunday when it did not go through its scheduled run. I have not done anything yet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hello, my name is I am going to assist you with this. The error means engine model number is there are several unit-specific parameters that are programmed into the controller, as this controller is used in many different models and configurations. Unfortunately, this is not something you are going to be able to fix yourself. It is going to require some software that only dealers have access to. You might get lucky and just have the firmware updated and it will take care of it, but more than likely the controller has gone bad and will need to be replaced. Either scenario requires the use of the Kohler software.
I assume I need to reach out to the company that handles these generators to come out to my house. Any idea of the cost of a controller? Not sure a phone call will help in this case. Thanks for the information.
Kohler is very proud of those things. It will run about $1,000.
Thanks for the information.
Not a problem. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.